everybody. So today I thought I would just kind of do a short little video on how everybody's doing on their yarn cleanse slash craft cleanse. So thought I'd check in and see how everybody's doing and what you're doing to burn through your either your yarn or your sewing supplies, your jewelry supplies, anything you do for your craft, how you're getting through your supplies that you currently have or have too much of. My problem is I have way too much yarn to burn through. But I've been doing good. I haven't gone to Michael's. I haven't gone anywhere to buy yarn. I promise. Haven't bought any yarn. I bought a box of stuffing, but some of us have already discussed that stuffing is kind of an essential item when you're making plushies or anything really that involves stuffing. So I did buy a box of stuffing, not gonna lie, but I did need one because I ran out. So, but that's all I've bought. I haven't bought any yarn. And I've been keeping myself in check. I go right by the Michael's and I don't stop and don't pull in. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what new yarn they have next time I go in, because it's kind of like it'll be like a surprise because I haven't been in there in a while. But I thought I would check in and see how everybody's using up their yarn supplies or your scraps or whatever you have, whether it's material, jewelry, painting, you name it. I'm using up my yarn in a couple of different ways. I'm trying to make up some Easter presents for my kids' classes for Easter. So to surprise, shh, don't tell anybody. So I thought I would make up some little Easter treats, Easter plushies for my kids' classes. And I have to make about 50 of them, so wish me luck. But I thought I would make up some Easter surprises for their class because they seem to like it when I do that. And I haven't decided if I'm going to make a chick or a bunny. So you kind of help me out, figure out which one you think would be cuter. A little chick or a little bunny rabbit. Which one do you think would be very cute? Or I can make one of each. Who knows? But I'm also using up these scraps, like the little bits that are left over from when you make something. I'm using those as stuffing. So I'm kind of doubling down and making sure that I'm also using up the little scrap bits that are left over. Not just throwing them away. I'm going to actually use them so I'm not wasting anything. Trying to be non-wasteful and eco-friendly, making sure that I'm really paying attention and burning through what I have, because I'm trying to save money to do things. So hopefully I'm able to burn through a good chunk of my yarn and whatnot. And I'm also going to maybe whip up some I have a knitting machine, Centro knitting machine, and I'm actually going to start whipping up some winter hats for a shelter or something, or just to give away to donation for people who need them. I'm going to work on that because that'll also help burn through some of my yarn as well. And most of the yarn I have that I used to use is good for hats. So I'm going to burn through, make some hats, headbands, maybe scarves, who knows. But that's what I thought I would say today, is I thought I'd check in and see how everybody's doing with their craft cleanse. We'll call it a craft cleanse. It's not a yarn cleanse anymore, it's a craft cleanse. So keep burning through your craft cleanse, and you know what, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're burning through your craft supplies, because you know what, maybe you can give me some tips or ideas on how to keep burning through my stuff, because I need some new ideas. So leave a comment down below with a couple of ideas of what you've been doing to really burn through your craft supplies, whether it's yarn, again, sewing, painting, rock painting. It's up to you, whatever your craft is. If you're burning through the supplies, good for you. But that's all for today. I thought I'd just do a little short video on how everybody's doing on their craft cleanse, and I'll check in next week when we have another video. So see everybody next Friday. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.